Cruising through the city at midnight feels completely different when your floorboards are glowing with a deep neon pulse. It changes a boring daily driver. It makes it feel like it belongs in a high-budget street racing movie. We are looking at those RGB car LED kits that everyone seems to be sticking under their dashboards and seats lately. You have probably seen them while scrolling through various online marketplaces. They arrive as these flexible strips packed with tiny lights and a bunch of wires. The promise is simple. You get a massive style upgrade without needing a degree in electrical engineering. Most of these kits are designed to be plug and play. You just find a clean spot on your dashboard or in the footwells and peel off the backing. It sounds easy because it is meant to be easy. You plug the power into your USB port or the traditional 12-volt socket. Suddenly, you have a full light show. These systems come with wireless remotes or smartphone apps to control every single detail. You can set a solid blue to keep things chill. You can switch to a frantic strobe mode if you want that high-energy vibe. Some of them even sync up to your music. The lights pause and change color based on the bass hits in your favorite tracks. It feels like your car is breathing along with the music. It sounds incredible on paper. However, the reality can be a bit messy if you are not careful. One of the biggest gripes people have is the adhesive. That sticky tape on the back of the strips is notoriously hit or miss. One hot summer day might be enough to melt the glue. Then you find your lights dangling around your pedals while you are trying to drive. That is actually a safety hazard. Many veteran users suggest using extra zip ties from the start. You might even want to look into heavy-duty mounting clips. You do not want to rely solely on the factory tape for long-term use. Another thing to consider is the actual brightness level. These things look amazing at 2 in the morning. During a sunny afternoon, however, they are almost invisible. They struggle to compete with natural daylight coming through the windows. You also need to keep a very close eye on the legal side of things. Law enforcement in many areas is not a fan of certain colors. If you have red or blue lights visible from the outside, you might get pulled over. Officers might think you are trying to look like an emergency vehicle. Every region has different rules about underglow and interior lighting. It is vital to confirm what is allowed before you turn your car into a rolling disco. Even with those risks that appear less obvious, it is a budget-friendly way to personalize your cabin. It makes the interior feel modern and tech-heavy. Just remember that you usually get what you pay for. The cheaper kits often have laggy apps. The remotes can feel like cheap plastic toys. If you want a smooth experience, spending a few extra dollars is usually a smart move. It is all about creating an atmosphere that makes you actually want to spend time behind the wheel. Whether you are showing off at a car meet or just enjoying a solo drive, that extra glow adds a layer of personality. It turns a standard commute into a unique experience. Just be ready to do a little extra work to make sure those trips stay put. It is a small price to pay for such a big visual change. Most drivers use them for the footwells, but do not overlook the cargo area. Lighting up a trunk makes finding your gear much easier at night. It is practical and stylish at the same time. You can even find kits that respond to voice commands now. Technology is moving fast in the world of car accessories. Just make sure the surface is bone dry before you stick anything down. A little prep work goes a long way. If you skip the cleaning step, those lights will fall off before you even leave your driveway. Take your time with the wire management too. Tucking the cables under the trim makes the whole setup look professional rather than a tangled mess. It is the difference between a cheap toy and a high-end custom build. Once it is all set up, the feeling of that first night drive is unbeatable. It is your space, and now it finally looks the part.